In the previous video, we looked at Google G Suite apps on my laptop. In this video, I'll just briefly go through the same apps on my phone. If you have an Android device, which is phones made by companies like Samsung, LG, Sony, and many others, then a lot of these apps will already be pre-inbuilt into your phone when you buy it. If you have an iPhone, so phones made by Apple, then these apps will not be pre-installed. So you'll need to download them individually. As you can see on the right side middle of my screen, I have Gmail, on the left side I have Play Store, and then I have a bunch of different apps from Google, including Google Maps, Drive, Hangouts, and Photos. Photos on your phone is just like the photos that I was talking about in my last video. On your phone, you can actually set photos to sync with your online account so that whenever you take a photo from your phone, it automatically uploads onto your account and is saved there. And remember, you have unlimited storage, so you can actually delete those photos from your phone and it'll be displayed onto your account. Google Drive is also the same as what I showed on my laptop. The only difference is that it does not pre-include Google Sheets, Docs, and Slides. So these three apps would actually need to be downloaded individually on your phone, regardless of whether you have a Samsung, which is an Android phone, or an iPhone. When you download those three apps, then you can make, share, and edit those documents. Which is another reason why, for mainly Google Drive, I would highly recommend using just your laptop, because those three apps are already pre-inbuilt into your browser, so you don't need to download anything.